Well, Jamie, two delegates organized the meeting after they say the number of concerns they were hearing about the school system and Board of Education had gone up. They encouraged everyone with concerns, comments, and complaints about HCPSS to come out, and they listened. The concerns rolled in.
I, on average, would have a really bad case of bronchitis and asthma, to the point where I would see stars when I was coughing and almost cough myself unconscious.
I'm being bullied at school.
In spite of the tireless efforts of our dedicated, overworked teachers and staff, we are going backwards in terms of overcrowding, special education, transparency, accountability, and public input.
While the issue of mold in some Howard County schools came up,
a teacher, afraid to speak out publicly, reached out to two parents and asked for help, wanting to get the word out about a years-long mold issue that had been kept from parents.
Many parents spoke about the school's special education.
You've already heard some of the horror stories of what it's like for our children to be students here with a diagnosis of autism.
Or what they call a lack thereof, saying their kids aren't getting the attention needed.
The county claims this is in the name of inclusion, but it isn't inclusion to sit my child at the back of the classroom with inappropriate materials and having little to no interaction with other children.
The town hall was organized by delegates Frank Turner and Warren Miller after saying they've heard countless stories of problems with the Board of Education and the school system. Concerns of teachers being afraid to speak out, the Board of Education seeming to not listen to parents, and budget priorities and class size all came up.
I'm disturbed at what I'm hearing from parents and what I hear from my colleagues and what I have experienced.
The crowd all agreed that students should be number one, and Tuesday provided an outlet and perhaps what parents say is the first step in moving forward.
Lack of transparency, teachers' silence, principals being lapdogs to their boss, Board of Ed members too cozy with the superintendent. It just all smells, and that smell is not mold.
Now, Delegate Turner told the crowd that the most important thing we can do is take care and protect our children. The school system told me on Monday we welcome the community's feedback, and today said several school system staff members were in attendance to listen and consider the community members' comments.